Hello guys, today I've got JBL Endurance Peak 4 and I'm going to show you how you can easily fix that only one earbud is working. So actually the first thing that you need to do to have your earbuds working, the broken one, is to clean this case right here. Clean your case correctly and clean your earbud. As you can see, here we've got charging pins and here we've got pots for them. Clean them with the isopropyl alcohol or the ethyl alcohol because they don't conduct electricity. They don't conduct electricity. Remember that you can't use water because it does conduct electricity, and don't use metallic tools because you will break the headphones. So clean these things and you'll be good to go. If you still can't do this, and if your headphone still doesn't want to work, you need to try charging your earbuds up to 100%. Try charging it and then use them. Try using them. If it doesn't work, still you need to contact device support because we can't do anything more than that, because we can't even do the factory reset. That's it. Bye.